Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bring to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Don Bosco Youth Centre launches coaching program to empower youth. Nongpo police crack down on reckless driving on National Highway. MLA Charles Marngar urges Power Minister to address electricity woes in Mauhati. And Reverend Father James Thernyang launches campaign for children's playground in North Mai. And now the news in detail. On June 24, 2024, the Don Bosco Youth Centre in Lajumkra, Shillong marked a significant milestone with the inauguration of its new coaching program aimed at preparing youth for competitive exams such as SSC, MCS and bank exams. The event commenced with an uplifting song by Ida Mesha Wankar, setting a positive tone for the day. Reverend Father Michael Makri, director of the centre, delivered a heartfelt welcome address, encouraging the youth to persevere through challenges. Highlighting the program was a spirited dance performance by two enthusiastic youths, further energizing the attendees. Mr. Ronnie Walang, Deputy Secretary of the Forest and Environment Department and the chief guest, emphasized the importance of seizing opportunities provided by the centre and fostering a competitive spirit among the youth. The day concluded with a soulful song by Tia Vanessa Kurba and a vote of thanks from Reverend Father Michael Makri, the director of Don Bosco Youth Centre, expressing gratitude to all participants and supporters. The coaching program promises to be a beacon of hope and learning for aspiring young minds in the region.
And discouraged. I'm really glad that the song that we began with, though it harped on the negativity of life and the difficulties young people face. I was just discussing with Madam that this age and generation, while it talks about social media, it talks about lingos, it talks about people achieving various feats in different aspects of life, yet, may I say, with a tinge of sadness, that this is also an age of loneliness and hopelessness. It is therefore important, young people, that you take out your bucket, draw from here. Your hopelessness will disappear, your loneliness will disappear, your discouragement will disappear. And when you are together in a coaching center, let me be very candid. It is not just about teaching. A coaching center is basically a center where you unlock yourself, open up yourself to a plethora of opportunities that will come your way. It is a journey to self-discovery. If you take it very seriously, believe me, you will discover certain attributes in you which you think never existed. You will discover that you are a new person, you are more confident, and you are willing, as Father has correctly pointed out, to take on risks in lives. Unfortunately, we are a generation that loves whining, or as Father had said, complaining. We complain if we are not firmly ensconced in our career course, or if we do not have within ourselves that motivation to reach for the goal.
On June 23rd, the traffic branch of Nongpo Police Station conducted a rigorous helmet and license check along the National Highway, responding to increasing instances of reckless driving and stunts by youths every Sunday. During the operation, police apprehended a group from Assam notorious for performing dangerous stunts on the highway. The individuals were escorted to the police station for counseling on traffic regulations and road safety, emphasizing the critical importance of adhering to rules to safeguard lives. This initiative underscores the police commitment to curbing hazardous driving behaviors and promoting responsible road usage.
Peit bersengap ya kena Khubor na tepat nak kalian yo traffic run di bawah sing nang po ba pin subha bani atap helmet dak kinongnya bike nya skuti bat hamtam ru nga tepat ya gitu skuti le bike besong labun sin gilap bat ni jupan nak por sekor rei kim semla nyokor bat kim semla pungu ya ta aing jong traffic rule rei bun sin hi gilap hadu laingut kinang syong ya ki bike bat skuti rei jinsya ka pasti jong ka skuti ke bike kiri ben syong arut te yakine ni tepat jur ye pi ba pin pungu pin bot ya ka aing jong ka traffic rule balasna da sukaran dia nang ba kaya jingmetoi ya pi om gam jingmetoi yang i police department ka jingmetoi ka wan ya pi om jingmetoi ni lada pi accident lada pi biang kot sla pi biang alde pila ban ya le ya kano ka jingdon kam ka pungba ki ongka MST claim mentah ka sarkar India ka pumi kata MST claim lada don accident bayap halti ne surok jong ganu no ka surok mdei tang ni jaka ji wacha asam ni cha no jaka lada pibiang yal di mot pin yo ta MST claim lada pinam biang pinam la ban yo wat lada sarkar ka bu lupa pinam la ban yo kata ka MST claim marba license pim don kot sla kali pim don nangta ikirul ge aing ka penking hagino parking ru bu kidang labu simbot aska pin burom pin pek kimat yo pi kimat kipe chano ngamtip bat bun sini lap bahang ni nang pot area jungi hapo ji kipe jong i DSP bat ESP dan burom jungi bat yu IC jungi rei nilai ibu simbot rei kia penjak permit kia weng simbot ro simbot no parking labu hane ga area nongpo yo hne nakpor sipor simbut jungi ki jak bat ki ledusmon bat ki yu da kali kirat atli penpat.
MLA of Mauhati constituency Charles Marngar met with Power Minister A.T. Mondal on June 24th to discuss the severe electricity issues plaguing his constituents. Marngar highlighted the plight of approximately 7 villages that lack electricity connections, adversely affecting residents' daily lives. The MLA emphasized the urgency of resolving these long-standing problems to ensure equitable access to essential services. Minister A.T. Mondal has yet to announce a decision on the matter, leaving locals hopeful for a prompt and positive response to elevate their electricity woes.
Ijing kiba Bosco hakaba kumunong mikmat nadu Khubor mengenang longtang UMDC kalau persang bensim kia gini kam Bosco ndrei UI ba ijing duna kibabon hak konsumsi kebangim pala ban pembiang hadu menda jika jingwan jonga kalau kedan antli kiban kongsan jadi Khubor kabaningkong kade kejing pembiang ke electricity supply kejing long irregularity of power supply kani kalau tak sibun ya kinong soksong kini kisnong gibahajan musning kini kisnong masenda amroy kamang road lakum no ru kinang kam yo ya ke electricity kinang kam bi ngam bakin long 100% gibian kidona hi henry Kwa ban penpawi pi hang ne bagi don kisno kum ke Mauhati area ke Solidan area ke Umtrai area bat ke Umsiang area ini kisno baru agini ke area ide kisno di bamat sisha ke jinge dan itu ipi bagi kisno Umtrai ke area Umtrai hake sisngi kinyo light lane kinyo ke electricity tang kumba shi kenta bat akenta to kata kemdai ke jinge ladai sisha ke jinge ke makna kejing nak tagi kena school kumnokin krekot bapni benda ki pen krek ya examination ki jongki padang kejing dum hak pendon kam tung Khubor ndai de syarat ini kejing karau ka ba kejing jong binam song benda ki tanjong ni kidan pun ba kibriu kibat haja in penon kamsa da ketuka istri mo ka iron da unga seisu program tisu ila penon kam da ketuk electric iron baneki istri da kamai tenang ta ko i jing e ka ba i kendo hak ba dei bat kinong trai ki furniture nalor ke jing kerdu kam ke jing kerdu cha di Samla di berpersang banle de skill development program electricity kam da si ai kalau jong ki kon Samla jong ngadong ka thai te alor ke ne ga Bosco yo minister ban nakaliang ga jong uru mandag sni ulah pau ya ke jing sosi ke jing sodiau halor ke jing yo jikep ba kalau ko ni ba nakaliang ga jong ulah ong ba hadir bang lami nam ne nakama jong uni untuk sabut din no ini kam banwat jingtip ke ai kedau dei malu mala ko mchiu thu ipi kedau hi ke bangi don hani ngla pat sngo yu ke dei ke shortage of manpower ke jingduna jong ti nong tri ani thu ipi ha usian wei lineman ubala yam nadu kesnem arja sipo hadu mendam pat refleksio di mana menteri men pe je kam kini ke jing ke krau ke bangi mat i kendo hadu ba ngagum nong nikmat itu ipi nan le sukuno ki phone call ki bawan ki bitu ingai.
On June 24, 2024, Reverend Father James Thirnyang spearheaded a significant initiative at Bosco Integrated Development Society BITS Nok Thamai, advocating for a dedicated playground for local children. Themed Campaign for Strengthening a Safe Environment for Children, the program, organized by the child-friendly Shillong Civil Society, aims to enhance children's physical, mental and social well-being. Addressing attendees including Mati Warjri and Banabel Kharsati, the focus was on protecting children's rights and fostering their holistic development. Warjri stressed the critical need to safeguard children across all facets of life, while Kharsati, mobilization officer of the society, urged community leaders to prioritize the establishment of safe and accessible playgrounds. This initiative serves as a clarion call for collective action to ensure a nurturing environment where children can thrive.
CRF from Nonglu, Khubor, Lumbatengah,
and all our partners, especially children, and all those who are part of this project of the child-friendly Shillong. Though I am also completely new here, two weeks, but then I have been part of this project when I was in another office. So with great joy and satisfaction and thanks to God and to all those who are working hard for the rights of the children, we will launch this campaign of 2024.
It includes safeguarding children from physical harm, whether at home, school or in public places. And I think Sir Deep has already focused on
project Kabadan Hapok Jongka Bosco Integrated Development Society. Kajing tu Jongka kalong ba ni amin sia miki khna bakin wan chakhamat bakin tur chakhamat bakin yekran bakin thu ejing jungki ana marbun sin manta PGE ba iki khna angi ngim ju ana dike bakin wan chakhamat because ngi ongna fi dang khna fim dan ko hok ban kran handai kajing thumu jong project jungi bade kamlong kopta kajing thumu jungi kalong bangi ko baki khna ru kinong kita kiwe kinomi khmat den takadau naka post ka por ka bangi penong programs ngi ju hikai ki phang leadership skills nang ta ki different types of training ngi hikai ki no bikin nong slur ka ai bikin man rai ki issues jong ki sakmat khnang ba kata ka issues jong ki khna bikin i da kasnong baka issues ka bakan wan kam de kan de tan ki ba he handre ki issues ka de ka wan ki khna ru khnang ba ki ba he ba han kin consider ya kata ki issues ka ba wan ki khna jom kane ka campaign ka bangi launch man ta ka singiro ka long kuma fil hi ka theme ka de ka campaign ka de who can protect me I and we mut mano banyana yanga mut mga wana phi hapo jong ka padengi don sakawe ka sub theme ka bangi strengthening safe environment for children ka mut ka ai ka pan loyang ni bangin la ikanika campaign ka long ba yi kwa ba ki khna ru kin yo ka ta ka jaka ba kin la kai kuma fil man ta ki pun.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.